If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7948.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.